Carl, what are you doing?
So I've got my Freewing MIRAGE Tiger Meat scheme again, and today we've got the speed flea in there to see how fast it can go.
How fast do you think it will go, Carl?
What did we measure the V1200 at? That got to about 140, didn't it?
Yeah, 140, 150.
I reckon this will be similar. Yeah, probably I'll say 148.
Now, speed flea is GPS calculated airspeed, right? So it's not
Yep.
true airspeed.
No. Yeah.
So what's the wind? The wind is more crossy actually. So if you're doing up and down the patch,
Yep.
it shouldn't really change that much, to be honest.
Yeah.
So it should be an accurate, fairly accurate reading.
Yeah.
Good luck, Carl, as always.
Let's go.
Give it the beans. If you could make them low fast passes, that would be even better.
Yep.
Not asking a lot, am I, as a cameraman? Forgot he had a nice afterburner effect on this one. Where's the afterburner from, Carl? The light burner. Getting a little bit of height. You should turn and go down the hill.
Yeah, you'd be quicker going downhill.
Do a reversal. You should have climbed and do a half roll. What do I know? Now climb. Up, up, up. Half roll and pull over the top. Same this end. Bit closer.
That's it.
Nail it. What? High speed stall or something. That nearly went in.
Just very disorientating. The delta wing.
Oh, you screwed up. I got it. Nice. Yeah, it does that well, doesn't it? Just throws in a roll for good measure. You got flames coming out the back. That was quite a long flight considering you did a lot of fast passes. Oh my word. Whoop. No, he's in control, folks. He knows what he's doing. He's down.
And that's LVC.
He just makes it look scary. Jeez, God. That is the first flight on the Mirage in about, what, 6 months?
Yeah.
Put it away. Don't fly it for another 6 months.
Oh. Yeah.
Do you need to lie down?
It's a very exciting model, that, because it is basically a dart. Even with the Tiger Meat scheme, it's still very disorientating. That over there,
Yeah.
you just have to hope.
Well, that
it
was,
pulls out,
I don't know, look back on the video, I reckon that was about 3 feet from disaster, that was.
But yeah, definitely a model well worth having the Hobby Eagle gyro in. I've got the A3L in this one, so not the top fancy one, just the pre-programmed setting one that you leave it and it's done. But it works fantastically well. As you see, when it was in the high alpha, it stalled and
Yeah.
reacted really well.
Oh, okay, it stalled and it caught it.
Yep, got me out of trouble. But yeah, I still love this model.
Well, go grab it. I want to know how fast it went on those fast
Yeah,
passes.
let's have a look.
God, all this talking. Come on, hurry up. All the viewers, they haven't got all day. He's fitter than I am. Got 2 young kids.
Alright, let's find out. Yeah, such a versatile machine. It's so
You
quick,
thought
so
140
quick.
to 150?
I reckon around that sort of mark isn't unachievable. Yeah, let's find out. Take me polarising glasses.
I don't think the camera will pick it up in this light, so you'll just have to tell me and I'll believe you.
200 now.
Yeah, I would have believed you for a few seconds.
I'll read that. There's the
Throw your hat over the top of it. Take it.
No, I can read it. 127.85.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I was expecting more than that.
Not that fast then, Carl.
No, I thought it was faster than that. but
Jesus, get a 45 Newton turbine and try again.
yeah, still, I love it.
It's hard to gauge, isn't it, when you see something visually, how quick it is.
But yeah, I absolutely love this model. It's so versatile, flat out speed to virtually stopped. It can do it all. So.
Right, time to sell it then. Alright, thanks Carl.
Cheers.
See you next time. Goodbye. Now climb. Whoop. No, he's in control, folks. He knows what he's doing. He's down.